We have Samsung M51s. It's screen damage. The screen is full of line and not working properly. Let's fix it out. Before we remove the screen, apply some heat on this back door. After heating this, and it's out now. Unscrew, remove this side cap, remove this protection shield, unscrew of mother, disconnect the display strip and the main sub PCB, battery connector, and let's take out this logic board from this frame. It's hanging up, and finally now it's out. The logic board is also out now. Open the battery. Oh, the battery also out. Body, vibrator, and this power button strip and the receiver. Lengthy process, and it's out. Take off. Well done, man. And remove the ear speaker. And we have been out at this all parts of this frame. Take a new screen, and here is the new screen. Let me fix and test this. Fix the battery, fix the ear speaker, take vibrator, take logic board and fix it. Connect the display strip, connect the battery, fix a screw for a logic board, and fix this protection shield, and now fix a screw. And finally everything has been fixed. This, and put the gum on this before we fix a back door of any model, and take off this back door and fix it properly. Let's on the screen and test the display. Yeah, Samsung M51. Slowly we can remove the paper. Samsung. Hey kitty, what doing, man? It's a lockdown. And finally the phone has been on. Let's testing emergency. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah, it's working properly. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.